Hello, hello, Masai. My name is Atul Pal, and I am a passionate aspirant of software development engineer in testing. And recently, I completed my bachelor's degree in computer application. And today, I have some questions on my individual project. So, first question is on the what is the scope of the project and why did you choose the same? So. Son so the scope of the project is so the my project's name is the Sonic Sargam, and it is an innovative platform for music enthusiasts to explore, create, and share musics. So it um, it has some features, and the scope in the testing is like to improve my skills and solve my critical thinking and logical think to build my critical thinking and logical thinking skills. So so the next question is about the can you walk me through the most challenging technical problem you encountered in your project and how you resolve it? So the main technical problem is the um, when I am going to check these websites on the low bandwidth or checking its usability for the every users, like some users are here to listen only podcasts, some are here listen to only some kind of bhajans, these kind of things. But if they are finding these things on the platform, they didn't find it so easily. So that was the main technical problem, and I resolved it via mentioning it my bug sheet as in a pending state, or in a suggestion also. So that was the uh, thing where I resolved it. So the next question is, what specific technology did you use and why did you choose them for this project? So there are some technologies I used. Those name is uh, Google Sheet. Google Sheet is for maintaining the my test cases and scenarios, my bug sheet, that type of thing, and the Xmind for the creating mind map, and Google Docs is also there for making the some test plan or a summary report, and some different also them. And I choose them for making my project as a um, interactive and easily clear, or everything is clear to the developer, for the developer and everyone, and everyone can read them by just reading it and by just seeing it. So the next question is about did you encounter any performance issue and how did you identify and address them? So I have a main performance issue when I am testing it on the low bandwidth internet, and the websites loads in a very um, or it takes so much time. After that, when I used to play these songs, it also buffering and taking so much long time, and I resolve it via mentioning it my sheets. And whenever developer sees this, then he also should try and check, then it will be um, identify and solve. So the next question is about, can you explain a situation where you had to make a critical decision that impacted the project direction? So there was the most critical decision on for me. It was when I am projecting my projects on the um, or updating my data on a Google sheet for a bug report, and when I am mentioning it as a suggestion or a bug, that was the main critical decision for me, and it's impacted on my project direction also, and taking so long time. So the next question is about how did you manage version control and collaboration in a project? So um, it's a individual project first of thing. The but I manage the version control via using the GitHub. So the next question is about were there any trades off you had to make while working on the project, and how uh, how did you prioritize? So um, some recommendation is there, like type of AI in AI in the audio editing and collaborating with the some other peoples. That was the suggestion of mine where I trades off, and I prioritize it to decision based on the user's feedback. Uh, like there's a everywhere is the AI, so that was the thing, and the main part I can say where I can say it as a prioritize part. So the next question is about describe a feedback you received on your project and how you implemented it. So um, feedback I received with my some uh, team leads or a team managers, but I did it as a tester. I did it as using the early testing. So um, these things are the main thing, and I implement it via in the testing phase. I implemented it via early testing or some other testings also. So that was the main feedback part. So what you do? The next question is about what you do differently if you were to start this project over again. So I start this project on the working on it and making the again the test plan and the mind map and the other things, which is helped me to launch my other projects also, and help me to start this project over again. So thank you, Masai, and thanks for giving me an opportunity to making this kind of project. That's it for today. Thanks for listening.